Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel The Knowledge Library. Today we are going to discuss some common questions related to Pol Science to prepare for the CUT exams. So let's begin. The first question is, who was the first Secretary General of UN? Option A, Dag Hammarskjöld. B, Trygve Lie. C. U. Thanf, or D. George Bush? The correct answer is option B, Trygve Lie. The next question is, in which year Israel attacked Lebanon? A. 2006, B. 2005, C. 2001, or D. 2003? The correct answer is option A, 2006. The next question is, UN Charter was signed by dash nations? A. 50, B. 51, C. 55, or D. 53? The correct answer is option B, 51. The next question is, the UN was not made to take humanity to heaven but to save it from hell. Who said it? A. Antonio Guterres, B. Kofi Annan, C. Kurt Waldheim, or D. Dag Hammarskjöld? The correct answer is option D, Dag Hammarskjöld. The next question is, UN Charter was signed on A. 25th June 1945, B. 26th June 1945, C. 28th June 1950, or D. 30 June 1944? The correct answer is option A, 25 June 1945. The next question is, who was the second Secretary General of UN? A. Dag Hammarskjöld, B. Kurt Waldheim, C. Trygve Lie, or D. none of the above? The correct answer is option A, Dag Hammarskjöld. The next question is, Israel attacked Lebanon saying that it was necessary to control the militant group called A. Al-Qaeda, B. Hezbollah, C. Ansar al-Sharia, or D. none of the above? The correct answer is option B, Hezbollah. The next question is, United Nations Day celebrated on A. October 24, B. October 25, C. October 20, or D. October 19? The correct answer is option A, October 24. The next question is, the UN was founded as a successor to the A. Leagues of Nations, B. Group of Nations, C. League of Countries, or D. none of the above? The correct answer is option A, League of Nations. The next question is, the dash is an international organization that oversees those financial institutions and regulations that act at the international level. A. World Bank, B. World Trade Organization, C. International Monetary Fund, or D. World Health Organization? The correct answer is option C, International Monetary Fund. The next question is, Which of the following is not among the main organs of the UN? A. United Nations Security Council, B. United Nations General Assembly, C. International Court of Justice, or D. International Labour Organization. The correct answer is option C, International Labour Organization. The next question is, when did India join UN? A. 24 October 1954, B. 25 October 1945, C. 30 October 1945, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is option C, 30 October 1945. The next question is, in dash there are 5 permanent members. A. UN General Assembly, B. UN Security Council, C. UN Secretariat, or D. The Economic and Social Council. The correct answer is option B, UN Security Council. The next question is, name the present Secretary General of the UN. A. Antonio Guterres, B. Ban Ki-moon, C. U Thant, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is option A, Antonio Guterres. The next question is, Antonio Guterres was the former Prime Minister of which country? A. Norway, B. Italy, C. Australia, or D. Portugal. The correct answer is option D, Portugal. The next question is, the UN was established in 1945 immediately after the A. First World War, B. Cold War, C. Second World War, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is option C, Second World War. The next question is, in dash all the members have 1 vote each. A. UN Security Council, B. UN General Assembly, C. Both A and B, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is option B, UN General Assembly. The next question is, which of the following countries is not among the 5 permanent members of the United Security Council? A. USA, B. Germany, C. Russia, or D. China. The correct answer is option B, Germany. The next question is, Antonio Guterres took over as the Secretary General on A. 1st January 2018, B. 1st February 2016, C. 1st January 2017, or D. 1 March 2015. The correct answer is option A, 1st January 2017. The next question is, which organization was set up as successor to the General Agreement on Trade and Tariffs? A. World Health Organization, B. World Trade Organization, C. Amnesty International, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is World Trade Organization. The next question is, membership of United Nations Security Council was expanded from dash to dash in 1965. A. 11, 15, B. 12 and 15, C. 10, 16, or D. 11 or 14. The correct answer is option A 1115. The next question is expand WTO. A. World Tariff Organization, B. World Health Organization, C. World Trade Organization, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is option C. World Trade Organization. The next question is the main privileges of the 5 permanent members are dash and dash. A. Veto power and inconsistency, B. Permanency and veto power, C. Both A and B, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is option B. Permanency and veto power. The next question is the dash is an international organization which sets the rule for global trade. A. World Trade Organization, B. World Health Organization, C. Human Rights Watch, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is World Trade Organization. The next question is expand IAEA. A. International Atom Energy Agent, B. International Atoms for Peace Agency, C. International Atomic Energy Agency, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is International Atomic Energy Agency. The next question is the dash was created during the Second World War in 1944. Its activities are concentrated on the developing countries. A. World Trade Organization, B. International Monetary Fund, C. International Atomic Energy Agency, or D. World Bank. The correct answer is World Bank. The next question is who is the major contributor to the UN regular budget? A. USA, B. China, C. Russia, or D. India. The correct answer is USA. The next question is International Atomic Energy Agency was created in A. 1958, B. 1956, C. 1957, or D. 1959. The correct answer is 1957. The next question is dash is an NGO that campaigns for the protection of human rights all over the world. A. IAEA, B. Amnesty International, C. WHO, or D. UNDP. The correct answer is Amnesty International. The next question is Trygve Lie was from A. Portugal, B. Norway, C. Iceland, or D. Turkey. The correct answer is Norway. The next question is IAEA seeks to promote the peaceful use of dash energy. A. Nuclear, B. Kinetic, C. Liquid, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is nuclear. The next question is there are dash non-permanent members in the UN Security Council. A. 15, B. 12, C 10 or D 16? The correct answer is 10. The next question is, expand UNHCR. A. United Nations Human Rights Commission. B. United Nations High Commission for Refugees. C. United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees. Or D. None of the above. The correct answer is United Nations High Commission for Refugees. The next question is, which of the following is the main ambition of UN? A. Coming generation should be free from wars. B. Friendly relationship to be developed among nations. C. Both A and B. Or D. None of the above. The correct answer is both A and B. The next question is, explain UNHRC. A. United Nations High Commission for Refugees. B. United Nations Human Rights Commission. C. United Nations Human Rights Commissioner. Or D. None of the above. The correct answer is United Nations Human Rights Commission. The next question is, name the first Prime Minister of Independent India. A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. C. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Or D. B.R. Ambedkar. The correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. The next question is, which among the following was not a challenge that independent India faced? A. Shape a nation that was united. B. Establish autocracy. C. Ensure the development and well-being of entire society. Or D. None of the above. The correct answer is establish autocracy. The next question is, British India was divided into A. India and Bangladesh. B. Pakistan and Bangladesh. C. Pakistan and Tibet. Or D. India and Pakistan. The correct answer is India and Pakistan. The next question is, according to the two-nation theory, India consisted of not one but two people. A. Hindus and Christians. B. Hindus and Muslims. C. Muslims and Sikhs. Or D. Jains and Muslims. The correct answer is Hindus and Muslims. The next question is, who was known as Frontier Gandhi? A. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. B. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. Or D. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The correct answer is Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. The next question is, who delivered the famous speech Tryst with Destiny? A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. Or D. Lal Bahadur Shastri. The correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. The next question is, what was the percentage of Muslim population in India in 1951? A. 15%. B. 12%. C. 10%. Or D. 5%. The correct answer is 12%. The next question is, writers and poets describe partition as A. Division of properties. B. Division of liabilities and assets. C. Political division of the country. Or D. Division of hearts. The correct answer is division of hearts. The next question is, the dash was formed to protect the interest of the Muslims in colonial India. A. Princely states. B. Muslim League. C. Hindu community. D. Both B and C. The correct answer is Muslim League. The next question is, princely states were ruled by A. British government. B. Indian government. C. Princes. Or D. Prime Minister. The correct answer is princes. The next question is, the communal zones exclude A. Lahore. B. Travancore. C. Amritsar. Or D. Calcutta. The correct answer is Travancore. The next question is, British India provinces were controlled by A. Princes. B. British government. C. British citizens. Or D. None of the above. The correct answer is British government. The next question is, how many princely states were there at the time of independence? A. 590. B. 568. C. 565. Or D. 560. The correct answer is 565. The next question is, name the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Or D. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. The correct answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The next question is, a paramilitary force of Nizam of Hyderabad which was sent to respond People's Movement was known as A. LTTE. B. Nizam's Army. C. Indian Army. Or D. Razakars. The correct answer is Razakars. The next question is, who was the Maharaja of Manipur at the time of independence? A. Krishnadatta Chamraja. B. Budha Chandra Raj Singh. C. Chandragupta Maurya. Or D. Ajatsatru. The correct answer is Budha Chandra Singh. The next question is, which was the first Indian state to hold an election based on universal adult franchise in June 1948? A. Meghalaya. B. Telangana. C. Manipur. Or D. Hyderabad. The correct answer is Manipur. The next question is, when was the merger agreement between Maharaja of Manipur and the Government of India signed? A. September 1949. B. July 1948. C. September 1948. Or D. June 1947. The correct answer is September 1949. The next question is, movement for a separate Andhra was called A. Andhra movement, B. Telugu movement, C. Vishalandhara movement, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is Vishal Andhra movement. The next question is, name the veteran Gandhian, also Congress leader, who went on indefinite fast that led to his death after 56 days. A. Chandresh Reddy, B. Potti Shiramalu, C. Saket Vishwa, or D. Gaurav Patel. The correct answer is Potti Shriramulu. The next question is, Prime Minister announced the formation of a separate Andhra state in December 1950, B. January 1952, C. November 1951, or D. December 1952. The correct answer is December 1952. The next question is, in which year was the State Reorganization Commission appointed? A. 1951, B. 1955, C. 1953, D. 1952. The correct answer is 1953. The next question is, who played a vital role in the integration of princely states with India? A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, or D. Lal Bahadur Shastri. The correct answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The next question is, states created in 1960 were A. Tripura and Rajasthan, B. Maharashtra and Gujarat, C. Meghalaya and Assam, or D. Punjab and Haryana. The correct answer is Maharashtra and Gujarat. The next question is, which of the following state was not created in 2000? A. Chhattisgarh, B. Assam, C. Uttarakhand, D. Jharkhand. The correct answer is Assam. The next question is, Meghalaya was carved out from A. Assam, B. Manipur, C. Tripura, D. Sikkim. The correct answer is Assam. The next question is, which of the following princely state not resisted joining India? A. Hyderabad, B. Manipur, C. Kashmir, or D. Mysore. The correct answer is Mysore. The next question is, mention the base of the State Reorganization Act in 1956. A. Religion, B. Language, C. Ethnicity, or D. Both A and B. The correct answer is language. The next question is, Gujarat was carved out from A. Maharashtra, B. Andhra Pradesh, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Madhya Pradesh or D. Bombay? The correct answer is Bombay. The next question is, Haryana was carved out from A. Punjab, B. Himachal Pradesh, C. Uttar Pradesh or D. Rajasthan? The correct answer is Punjab. The next question is, The Dawn of Freedom was written by A. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Faiz Ahmad Faiz or D. Amrita Pritam? The correct answer is Faiz Ahmad Faiz. The next question is, when Muhammad Ali Jinnah addressed the Constituent Assembly of Pakistan at Karachi? A. 11 August 1947, B. 13 August 1948, C. 14 August 1947 or D. 16 August 1947? The correct answer is 11 August 1947. The next question is, famous poet Amrita Pritam was from A. Assam, B. Bihar, C. Punjab or D. Jammu and Kashmir? The correct answer is Punjab. The next question is, when Meghalaya was carved out from Assam? A. 1972, B. 1960, C. 1966 or D. 1965? The correct answer is 1972. The next question is, when Haryana was carved out from Punjab? A. 1965, B. 1962, C. 1966 or D. 1963? The correct answer is 1966. The next question is, who was the chairperson of Planning Commission? A. Prime Minister of India, B. President of India, C. Vice President of India or D. Governor of Kerala? The correct answer is Prime Minister of India. The next question is, the provision of 5-year plan was borrowed from A. Union of Soviet Socialist Republic, B. United States of America, C. Japan or D. Britain? The correct answer is Union of Soviet Socialist Republic. The next question is, when was the first 5-year plan started in India? A. 1st March 1951, B. 1st April 1951, C. 1st February 1951 or D. 2nd December 1952? The correct answer is 1st April 1951. The next question is, in which year the Planning Commission set up in India? A. August 1950, B. January 1951, C. March 1950 or D. April 1951? The correct answer is March 1950. The next question is, name the two models of development. A. Capitalist and socialist, B. Socialist and Maoist. C. Capitalist and Marxist. Or D. None of the above. The correct answer is capitalist and socialist. The next question is the dash budget that is spent on routine items on a yearly basis. A. Plan. B. Non-plan. C. Both A and B. Or D. None of the above. The correct answer is non-planned. The next question is from which country the socialist model of development was related? A. Belgium. B. Greece. C. USA. Or D. USSR. The correct answer is USSR. The next question is tribal population of Orissa fears displacement because of setting up of industries and extraction of which mineral? A. Iron ore. B. Copper. C. Magnesium. Or D. Uranium. The correct answer is iron ore. The next question is the dash budget that is spent on 5-year basis as per the priorities fixed by the plan. A. Plan. B. Non-plan. C. Both A and B. Or D. None of the above. The correct answer is planned. The next question is from which country the capitalist model of development was related? A. USSR. B. Czechoslovakia. C. USA. Or D. Both A and B. The correct answer is USA. The next question is when the second 5-year plan was launched? A. 1952. B. 1955. C. 1951. Or D. 1956. The correct answer is 1956. The next question is year in which number 5 plan was adopted is called A. Economic crisis. B. Plan holiday. C. Gap between 5-year plans. Or D. None of the above. The correct answer is plan holiday. The next question is name a young economist who argued that India should hasten slowly for the first 2 decades. A. N. Raj. B. C. Mahalanobis. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. Or D. V. Keshkar. The correct answer is K. N. Raj. The next question is the main objective of the first 5-year plan was A. Industrial development. B. Agricultural growth. C. Transport and communication. Or D. None of the above. The correct answer is agricultural growth. The next question is the second 5-year plan was drafted under the leadership of A. N. Roy. B. N. Raj. C. C. Mahalanobis. Or D. C. Kumar. The correct answer is P. C. Mahalanobis. The next question is The main objective of the second 5-year plan was A. Agricultural growth, B. Industrial development, C. Social services, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is industrial development. The next question is, what was the principal obstacle in the way of agricultural growth? A. Pattern of land distribution, B. Indian farmers, C. Big industries, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is pattern of land distribution. The next question is, who was the author of Economy of Permanence? A. C. Mahalanobis, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Kumarappa, or D. Karuna Banerjee. The correct answer is J.C. Kumarappa. The next question is, name the decentralized model of planning adopted by an Indian state. A. Bihar model, B. Karnataka model, C. Kerala model, or D. Goa model. The correct answer is Kerala model. The next question is, which among the following was not a focus point of Kerala model? A. Water sanitation, B. Health, C. Education, or D. Poverty alleviation. The correct answer is water sanitation. The next question is, which state has achieved almost total literacy? A. Kerala, B. Karnataka, C. Sikkim, or D. Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is Kerala. The next question is, Rag Darbari was written by A. Srilal Shukla, B. S. Naidu, C. Chunnibala Devi, or D. Uma Das. The correct answer is Srilal Shukla. The next question is, which state faced food crisis and a near famine situation in 1965-67? A. Rajasthan, B. Bihar, C. Uttar Pradesh, or D. Tripura. The correct answer is Bihar. The next question is, Dash, also called as the milkman of India, was who launched Amul? A. Verghese Kurien, B. Amul Ray, C. Satyajit Kumar, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is Verghese Kurien. The next question is, which of the following was considered as a negative effect of Green Revolution? A. Increase in production, B. Land saving, C. Development of industries, or D. Increase in regional and personal inequalities. The correct is increase in regional and personal inequalities. The next question is, which year was declared as the period of planned holiday? A. 1965 to 68, B. 1999 to 2000, C. 1966 to 69, or D 1962 to 1964? The correct answer is 1966 to 1969. The next question is, Bombay Plan was drafted in A 1945, 1944, C 1948 or D 1949. The correct answer is 1944. The next question is, S. Swaminathan was associated with A. White Revolution, B. Plan Holiday, C. Green Revolution or D. Bombay Plan. The correct answer is Green Revolution. The next question is, Dash Commission was replaced by the Niti Aayog. A. Planning, B. Policy, C. Bombay or D. None of the above. The correct answer is Planning. The next question is, Green Revolution was launched in A. 1965, B. 1967, C. 1999 or D. 1969. The correct answer is 1967. The next question is, name the first chairperson of the Planning Commission. A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, B. B.R. Ambedkar, C. Jawaharlal Nehru or D. Verghese Kurian. The correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. The next question is, which project were allotted a huge amount in the first 5-year plan? A. Narmada project, B. Ganga River Dam project, C. Bhakra Nangal project or D. both A and C. The correct answer is Bhakra Nangal project. The next question is, promotion of international peace and security are mentioned in which article of the Indian Constitution? A. Article 55, B. Article 52, C. Article 51 or D. Article 53. The correct answer is Article 51. The next question is, North Atlantic Treaty Organization was led by A. USSR, B. USA, C. Japan or D. Britain. The correct answer is USA. The next question is, which of the following was not among the founding members of NAM? A. Nasser, B. Nkrumah, C. Lal Bahadur Shastri or D. Tito. The correct answer is Lal Bahadur Shastri. The next question is, full form of NAM is A. Non-Allied Movement, B. National Market of Agriculture, C. Both A and B or D. None of the above. The correct answer is Non-Allied Movement. The next question is, Warsaw Pact was led by A. Soviet Union, B. USA, C. Australia, or D. Italy? The correct answer is Soviet Union. The next question is, where was the first summit of NAM held? A. Tehran, B. Shimla, C. Accra, or D. Belgrade? The correct answer is Belgrade. The next question is, Bandung Conference was held in A. Ghana, B. Egypt, C. Indonesia, or D. Thailand? The correct answer is Indonesia. The next question is, which conference led to the establishment of NAM? A. Belgrade Conference, B. Tashkent Conference, C. Shimla Conference, or D. Bandung Conference? The correct answer is Bandung Conference. The next question is, first summit of NAM was held in Belgrade in A. September 1961, B. March 1961, C. July 1962, or D. April 1965? The correct answer is September 1961. The next question is, name the spiritual leader who crossed over into Indian border and sought asylum in India. A. Skal Bazang, B. Dalai Lama, C. Sukarno, or D. Tito? The correct answer is Dalai Lama. The next question is, Dalai Lama has made dash his home in India. A. Tibet, B. Dharamshala, C. Manali, or D. Coorg? The correct answer is Dharamshala. The next question is, which is the largest refugee settlement of Tibetans in India? A. Dharamshala, B. MC Liotganj, C. Manali, or D. Gangtok? The correct answer is Dharamshala. The next question is, full form of NEFA is A. North Atlantic Treaty Organization, B. Northeastern Frontier Agency, C. Both A and B, or D. None of the above? The correct answer is Northeastern Frontier Agency. The next question is, the Panchsheel Agreement was signed between dash and dash. A. Indira Gandhi and Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, B. Lal Bahadur Shastri and Yahya Khan, C. Jawaharlal Nehru and Zhou Enlai, or D. None of these? The correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru and Zhou Enlai. The next question is, name the two disputed areas between India and China. A. Jammu and Kashmir, B. Aksai Chin and NEFA, C. Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim, or D. Ladakh and Uttarakhand? The correct answer is Aksai Chin and NEFA. The next question is, Who was the defense minister at the time of Indo-China War 1962? A. V. Krishna Menon, B. Manohar Parrikar, C. Jagvijan Ram, or D. Yashwantrao Chavan. The correct answer is V. Krishna Menon. The next question is, who was the first Prime Minister to visit China after the Indo-China War? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Lal Bahadur Shastri, C. Indira Gandhi, D. Rajiv Gandhi. The correct answer is Rajiv Gandhi. The next question is, who was first External Affairs Minister to visit China in 1979? A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, B. Lal Krishna Advani, C. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, or D. S. Jaishankar. The correct answer is Atal Bihari Vajpayee. The next question is, Panchsheel Agreement was signed on A. 29 April 1954, B. 21 August 1956, C. 19 January 1953, or D. 25 April 1954. The correct answer is 29 April 1954. The next question is, why the no confidence motion against the government was moved in 1963? A. Because of the farm protest, B. Because of the Indo-China War, C. Because of the Indo-Pak War, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is because of the India-China War. The next question is, which treaty was signed between India and Pakistan through the mediation of World Bank? A. Treaty of Lahore, B. Treaty of Amritsar, C. Indus Water Treaty, or D. Ganga Water Treaty. The correct answer is Indus Water Treaty. The next question is, who was the second Prime Minister of India? A. Lal Bahadur Shastri, B. Indira Gandhi, C. Rajendra Prasad, or D. V.K. Menon. The correct answer is Lal Bahadur Shastri. The next question is, Tashkent Agreement was signed between dash and dash. A. Indira Gandhi and Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, B. Jawaharlal Nehru and Ayub Khan, C. Rajendra Prasad and Yahya Khan, or D. Lal Bahadur Shastri and Ayub Khan. The correct answer is Lal Bahadur Shastri and Ayub Khan. The next question is, Awami League was led by A. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, B. Sheikh Mujib ur Rahman, C. Ziaur Rahman, or D. H.M. Irshad. The correct answer is Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. The next question is, in August 1971, India signed a 20-year peace and friendship treaty with A. USA, B. Pakistan, C. Soviet Union, or D. Bangladesh. The correct answer is Soviet Union. The next question is, Indus Water Treaty was signed in 1960 between A. India and Pakistan, B. India and Bangladesh, C. Pakistan and Bangladesh, D. India and Afghanistan. The correct answer is India and Pakistan. The next question is, which of the following is not among the 5 nuclear weapon states? A. China. B. France. C. Russia. Or D. Bangladesh. The correct answer is Bangladesh. The next question is, when was the Shimla Agreement signed? A. 4 July 1972. B. 10 July 1973. C. 3 July 1972. Or D. 15 July 1972. The correct answer is 3 July 1972. The next question is, when was the first nuclear explosion undertaken by India? A. May 1974. B. August 1975. C. July 1974. Or D. February 1973. The correct answer is May 1974. The next question is, which of the following was not a reason of the bitterness between India and China in 1962? A. Tibet issue. B. Boundary dispute. C. Water dispute. Or D. Both B and C. The correct answer is water dispute. The next question is, who was the first female Prime Minister of India? A. Indira Gandhi. B. Kamala Nehru. C. Pratibha Patil. Or D. Anandiben Patel. The correct answer is Indira Gandhi. The next question is, name the war fought between India and Pakistan in 1999. A. Kashmir War. B. Kargil War. C. Indo-Pak War. Or D. None of the above. The correct answer is Kargil War. The next question is, what is the full form of CTBT? A. Comprehensive Test Ban Treaty. B. Compulsive Test Ban Treaty. C. Comprehensive Test Ban Treaty. Or D. None of the above. The correct answer is Comprehensive Test Ban Treaty. The next question is, which of the following was not among the areas occupied by Pakistan in the Kargil War? A. Dras. B. Kaksar. C. Mashko. Or D. Doda. The correct answer is Doda. The next question is, what was the duration of peace and friendship treaty signed between India and Soviet Union? A. 15 years. B. 20 years. C. 10 years. D. 25 years. The correct answer is 20 years. The next question is, who tried to impose the Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty of 1968 on the rest of the world? A. UN Security Council. B. UN General Assembly. C. International Court of Justice. Or D. None of the above. The correct answer is UN Security Council. The next question is, who was worried about a possible Chinese aggression in future? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, C. लाल बहादुर शास्त्री और D. अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी। The correct answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The next question is, Britain attacked Egypt in 1956 over A. Suez Canal issue, B. Panama Canal issue, C. Corinth Canal issue or D. White Sea Baltic Canal issue. The correct answer is Suez Canal issue. The next question is, when did China attack Tibet? A. 1960, B. 1950, C. 1952 or D. 1955. The correct answer is 1950. The next question is, Cuba was an ally of A. USA, B. USSR, C. UK or D. None of the above. The correct answer is USSR. The next question is, who was the president of Cuba at the time of Cuban Missile Crisis? A. Fidel Castro, B. John F. Kennedy, C. Kwame Nkrumah or D. Justin Trudeau. The correct answer is Fidel Castro. The next question is, US represented the ideology of dash and dash. A. Socialism and communism, B. Capitalism and socialism, C. Capitalism and liberal democracy or D. None of the above. The correct answer is capitalism and liberal democracy. The next question is, who was the leader of Soviet Union at the time of Cuban Missile Crisis? A. Mikhail Gorbachev, B. Nikita Khrushchev, C. Fidel Castro, D. Gamal Abdel Nasser. The correct answer is Nikita Khrushchev. The next question is, when was the Second World War come to an end? A. 1946, B. 1945, C. 1941 or D. 1948. The correct answer is 1945. The next question is, who was the president of the US at the time of Cuban Missile Crisis? A. John F. Kennedy, B. Franklin D. Roosevelt, C. Harry S. Truman or D. Ronald Reagan. The correct answer is John F. Kennedy. The next question is, Soviet Union represented the ideology of dash and dash. A. Capitalism and liberal democracy, B. Communism and capitalism, C. Capitalism and socialism or D. Socialism and communism. The correct answer is socialism and communism. The next question is, which of the following country was not among the Allied powers? A. USA, B. USSR, C. Germany or D. Britain. The correct answer is Germany. The next question is, US dropped 2 atomic bombs on the Japanese cities of dash and dash. A. Chiba and Nara. B. Naha and Shizuoka. C. Hiroshima and Kanazawa. Or D. Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The correct answer is Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The next question is, Cold War was an outcome of the emergence of which two superpowers as opponent to each other? A. USA and Japan. B. USA and USSR. C. China and Russia. Or D. None of the above. The correct answer is USA and USSR. The next question is, the Western Alliance was codified into an organization named A. SEATO. B. CENTO. C. NATO. Or D. NAM. The correct answer is NATO. The next question is, NATO came into existence in A. April 1949. B. August 1948. C. July 1948. Or D. March 1948. The correct answer is April 1949. The next question is, Dash was led by Soviet Union to counter NATO's forces in Europe. A. SEATO. B. CENTO. C. NAM. Or D. Warsaw Pact. The correct answer is Warsaw Pact. The next question is, US dropped 2 atomic bombs on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in A. April 1945. B. August 1945. C. September 1945. Or D. July 1946. The correct answer is August 1945. The next question is, which among the following country was not a part of Axis powers? A. Germany. B. Italy. C. Japan. Or D. France. The correct answer is France. The next question is, initially how many members were there in NATO? A. 15. B. 12. C. 13. Or D. 19. The correct answer is 12. The next question is, when Communist China and the USSR did fight a brief war over a territorial dispute? A. 1965. B. 1967. C. 1969. Or D. 1966. The correct answer is 1969. The next question is, expand SEATO. A. Southwest Asian Treaty Organization. B. Southeast Antarctic Treaty Organization. C. Southeast Arabic Treaty Organization. Or D. Southeast Asian Treaty Organization. The correct answer is Southeast Asian Treaty Organization. The next question is, who played a vital role in mediating between the two Koreas? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. John F. Kennedy. C. Mikhail Gorbachev. Or D. None of the above. The correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. The next question is, in the Congo crisis, Dash played a key mediatorial role. A. Leader of the Soviet Union. B. UN Secretary General. C. Director General of UNESCO. Or D. King of Nepal. The correct answer is UN Secretary General. The next question is, expand CENTO. A. Central Treaty Organization. B. Central Tribal Organization. C. Central Crime Organization. Or D. Central Team Organization. The correct answer is Central Treaty Organization. The next question is, where was the first summit of NAM held? A. Tehran. B. Shimla. C. Accra. Or D. Belgrade. The correct answer is Belgrade. The next question is, which of the following was not among the founding members of NAM? A. Nasser. B. Nkrumah. C. Nana Akufo-Addo. Or D. Tito. The correct answer is Nana Akufo-Addo. The next question is, first summit of NAM was attended by dash member states. A. 26. B. 25. C. 21. Or D. 27. The correct answer is 25. The next question is, 14th summit of NAM was held in A. Havana. B. Hawaii. C. Kathmandu. Or D. Belgrade. The correct answer is Havana. The next question is, neutrality refers to A. Remaining aloof from world affairs. B. Policy of staying out of war. C. Both A and B. Or D. None of the above. The correct answer is policy of staying out of war. The next question is, the United Nations Conference on Trade and Development brought out a report entitled A. Towards a new trade policy for LDCs. B. Towards peace and development. C. Towards a new trade policy for development. Or D. None of the above. The correct answer is towards a new policy for development. The next question is, who headed Western Alliance? A. USA. B. USSR. C. China. Or D. None of the above. The correct answer is USA. The next question is, India signed the Treaty of Friendship in August 1971 with the dash for 20 years. A. USA. B. USSR. C. France. D. Germany. The correct answer is USSR. The next question is, Limited Test Ban Treaty was signed on A. 5 August 1963. B. 5 July 1964. C. C. 6 October 1965 or D. 15 March 1963? The correct answer is 5 August 1963. The next question is, Josip Broz Tito was related to A. NATO, B. CNTO, C. SEATO or D. NAM? The correct answer is NAM. The next question is, when was the First World War fought? A. 1914 to 1918, B. 1916 to 1921, C. 1912 to 1915 or D. 1911 to 1918? The correct answer is 1914 to 1918. The next question is, what is the full form of NPT? A. Non-Power Treaty, B. Non-Nuclear Weapon Treaty, C. Non-Proliferation Treaty or D. None of the above? The correct answer is Non-Proliferation Treaty. The next question is, Korean War was fought in A. 1955 to 58, B. 1957 to 59, C. 1950 to 53 or D. 1951 to 53? The correct answer is 1950 to 1953. The next question is, in which year the Soviet Union was disintegrated? A. 1995, B. 1992, C. 1993 or D. 1991? The correct answer is 1991. The next question is, which among the following countries was not a NATO member? A. Canada, B. India, C. France or D. Italy? The correct answer is India. The next question is, USSR came into being after the Dash Revolution in Russia in 1917. A. Communist, B. Socialist, C. Marxist or D. Capitalist? The correct answer is Socialist. The next question is, Socialist revolution was inspired by the ideals of A. Socialism, B. Marxism, C. Gandhian or D. Capitalism? The correct answer is Socialism. The next question is, who invaded Afghanistan in 1979? A. USA, B. Pakistan, C. Russia or D. Soviet Union? The correct answer is Soviet Union. The next question is, who became the General Secretary of the Communist Party of the Soviet Union in 1985? A. Vladimir Lenin, B. Mikhail Gorbachev, C. Boris Yeltsin or D. John F. Kennedy? The correct answer is Mikhail Gorbachev. The next question is, in which year the coup was taken place by Communist Party hardliners? A. 1994, B. 1990, C. 1991, or D. 1989. The correct answer is 1991. The next question is, who came up as national hero in opposing the coup? A. Mikhail Gorbachev, B. Fidel Castro, C. Joseph Stalin, or D. Boris Yeltsin. The correct answer is Boris Yeltsin. The next question is, in the Soviet Union, who decided the Reform Society for the first time? A. Joseph Stalin, B. Vladimir Lenin, C. Mikhail Gorbachev, or D. none of the above. The correct answer is Mikhail Gorbachev. The next question is, Russia, Ukraine and Dash, three major republics of the USSR, declared that the Soviet Union was disbanded. A. Belgium, B. Georgia, C. Kosovo, or D. Belarus. The correct answer is Belarus. The next question is, who became the successor state of the Soviet Union? A. Belarus, B. Ukraine, C. Russia, or D. Serbia. The correct answer is Russia. The next question is, in which year the Soviet Union was disintegrated? A. 1996, B. 1990, C. 1991, or D. 1988. The correct answer is 1991. The next question is, what is the full form of NATO? A. North Atlantic Treaty Organization, B. Northwest Atlantic Treaty Organization, C. North Arabic Treaty Organization, or D. North Atlantic Treaty Organization. The correct answer is North Atlantic Treaty Organization. The next question is, what is the name of Russian currency? A. Rial, B. Ruble, C. Rupee, or D. Rial. The correct answer is ruble. The next question is, in Russia, two republics Dash and Dash have had violent secessionist movements. A. Amur and Atle, B. Chechnya and Dagestan, C. Belgorod and Chukotka, or D. Shuvojolia and Dagestan. The correct answer is Chechnya and Dagestan. The next question is, in Central Asia, Dash witnessed a civil war that went on for 10 years till 2001. A. Tajikistan, B. Uzbekistan, C. Azerbaijan, D. Kazakhstan. The correct answer is Tajikistan. The next question is, Czechoslovakia split peacefully into two with the Dash and the Dash forming independent countries. A. Czechoslovakia and Slovakia, B. Area 1 and Area 2, C. Czechs and Slovaks, or D. none of the above. The correct answer is Ceausescu and Slovakia. The next question is, who was the first elected president of Russia? A. Vladimir Putin, B. Mikhail Gorbachev, C. Joseph Stalin, or D. Boris Yeltsin. The correct answer is Boris Yeltsin. The next question is, name the last leader of the Soviet Union. A. Vladimir Lenin, B. Boris Yeltsin, C. Nikita Khrushchev, or D. Mikhail Gorbachev. The correct answer is Mikhail Gorbachev. The next question is, when was the Berlin Wall broken? A. 9 November 1989, B. 15 December 1988, C. 5 August 1989, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is 9 November 1989. The next question is, name the disputed area between Azerbaijan and Armenia. A. Yugoslavia, B. Nagorno-Karabakh, C. Kontyak, or D. Shirak. The correct answer is Nagorno-Karabakh. The next question is, who was the leader of the Soviet Union at the time of Cuban Missile Crisis? A. Mikhail Gorbachev, B. Nikita Khrushchev, C. Fidel Castro, or D. Gamal Abdel Nasser. The correct answer is Nikita Khrushchev. The next question is, Berlin Wall was built in A. 1962, B. 1961, C. 1965, or D. 1963. The correct answer is 1961. The next question is, Soviet system was based on dash ideology. A. Capitalist, B. Socialist, C. Gandhian, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is Socialist. The next question is, name the party which dominated the Soviet Union's political system. A. Congress Party, B. People's Party, C. Liberal Democratic Party, or D. Communist Party. The correct answer is Communist Party. The next question is, which of the following statement is true about shock therapy? A. Due to privatization, the society was divided into rich and poor. B. The value of Russian currency declined. C. Both A and B, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is both A and B. The next question is, how many countries were there in the Soviet Union? A. 14, B. 13, C. 15, or D. 20. The correct answer is 15. The next question is, what is the full form of CIS? A. Commonwealth of Independent States, B. Commonwealth of Independent Status, C. Commonwealth of ideologies, or D. None of the above? The correct answer is Commonwealth of Independent States. The next question is, which of the following country was not a part of Soviet Union? A. Latvia, B. Armenia, C. Azerbaijan, or D. Iceland? The correct answer is Iceland. For more such videos, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our YouTube channel The Knowledge Library. Thank you.